The Course Overview tab. Go to Courses, go into your course and click Overview. The Overview tab gives you an overview of what's going on within each of your courses. For instance, you can also see the amount of visitors, the enrolments, the sales that you have made, and the sale count. You can also go and filter this by custom range, all time, last year, this year, last month, this month, last 30 days, last 7 days, yesterday and today. And you can see who has enrolled and the activity on your course. You can also see a pie chart here of what is going on in the course progress side of your course. For instance, here is a course that has 381 visitors, 332 enrolments, has made over 27k and has a sale count of 326. You can see the activity on the right hand side, and you can also see who has completed or is in progress or who has not started the course. This gives you a really clear indication of what is going on in each of your courses. This is the Overview tab inside of Zenler.